get to the Landmarks page by choosing the landmark icon at the bottom of the device list. The map you'll be brought to will be centered to show all of your landmarks in the same screen. To the left, where you would normally see your device list, there will be a full list of all of the landmarks on the account. If you want to find a specific landmark, use the search bar to find it quickly. To create a new landmark, start by clicking Create New. There are 3 different shapes you can use to configure a landmark, making it easier to either mark a specific location or to create a larger geofenced area. The first shape is radius, which drops a pin at a specific location. You can make the circle around the pin as large or as small as you need. The next shape is the rectangle. It can be stretched into any size square or rectangle using the 4 corner vertices. Using this, you can create a uniform geofenced area. The last type is Polygon, which can also be used to create a geofenced area, but it's more customizable. It starts as a triangle, but you can add additional vertices to create whatever shape best fits the area that you are trying to cover. Once you've created the shape that you want for your landmark, you'll give it a name. You can choose to mark the landmark as billable or non-billable. This will help with reporting later. And when you're finished, click Save. Landmark names will show up when you run reports, make it easier to tell at a glance which drivers were at various locations. You may not always remember the exact address of a customer or a vendor, but this way you don't have to. You can also set up alerts for when a vehicle enters or leaves a landmarked area.